when you're not around. Without boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I've seen one thing, now I know what I have found. I got you in my space, I won't let go of you. Want you shackled in my embrace, I'm latching onto you. I got you in my space, I won't let go of you. Want you shackled in my embrace, I'm latching onto you.
What's up, guys? What's up? Hey! Yo, this night, this is an amazing night. I just want to let you know, it's been beautiful out here. It didn't fucking rain, it didn't destroy us tonight. It was perfect. You got a little sprinkle on us. Yo, again, man, shout out to the front row crew up here, killing it. Whole show. All my people in the back that were getting crazy this whole time, I fucking love you. This is the Mothership Tour 2014. We're glad to be back in this place. I want to do something real quick. I want to hear all the ladies scream as loud as I can real quick. Ladies, real quick. Ladies, make some noise. We got a lot of fine, crazy ladies out here tonight having a good time. Thank you guys for showing up. All my dogs make some noise right now, my boys. Come on, where you at? Whoa. Who let the dogs out? Ladies, you can do better than that, though. Come on, you got that voice. Let's go, ladies. All right, on the count of three, I want to hear the ladies and the dogs scream so fucking loud. Los Angeles, California can hear us partying right now. 1, 2, 3, everybody! All right. What's up? Is Dylan Francis around? Where did that fool go? Yo, Dylan, I need your help, bro. We're gonna do part 2. Yo, this is my friend Dylan McChillin. Together we are Skrillin Dances.
Get everyone to get low right now, right?
Okay, so this is what's gonna happen. We're gonna film this shit. We're gonna put it online. This is gonna be a magical moment. All of us in this place are gonna get low to the ground. But
everyone needs to get as low as me right now.
Like this. Just like this. Just like... Not like that, bro. How are they gonna jump up if they're on their ass? Alright, like that.